More than 35 years, more than 125 plus projects delivered, and it's known for the legacy of providing long list of world-class amenities and on-time delivery. Can you guess the name of the developer? Well, it's Paradise Group. And now I welcome you to the pre-launch of its new project, Sai World 1 in Nerul. Behind me, as you can see, is the project site. The sales office is there. You can come and visit there. But here I want to talk about the location of the project. This is the service road in front of the project site, and just beside this is your Thane Belapur road. And opposite to that, I can see in front of me is your D.Y. Patil Stadium, where you can go and watch all your favorite World Cups and IPL seasons. Now, coming to the connectivity which this project offers you, from here, your Juinagar station is just 5 minutes, and Nerul station is just 10 minutes from here. If you want to talk about the lifestyle connectivity which you will be getting from here, then your Seawoods Grand Central Mall, Inorbit Mall, IKEA, you can access all of this in just 10 to 12 minutes. Also, because of the upcoming KTLR Kharghar-Turdhe Link Tunnel, you can access Khargar's golf course, ISKCON temple, all of that in just 10 to 12 minutes, which is the best part about this project, the infrastructural development which is happening beside this. Also, from here, within 20 minutes, you can connect the now operational Navi Mumbai International Airport. Also, Atal Setu is also hardly 20 to 25 minutes, which means if your office is in South Bombay, BKC, then you can connect there in just 30 minutes. Also, the upcoming BKC 2 in Kharghar is going to come up. That means you can connect that also, which means the connectivity, connect. A lot of good connectivity from this project. Now, without further ado, I want to take you inside and talk about all the details of this project. Let's go. Spread across 6 acres, this project offers you 3 towers, 1 commercial and 2 residential of G+36 floors with the iconic golden glass facade, so that you can spot your home and also your guests from very, very far away, because that's what Paradise does. It doesn't just offer you a home, it gives you a landmark. And if you want to know my personal favorite and a real life example of that, then you should definitely have a look at Sai World Empire in Sector 36 Kharghar. Now, coming to the breakdown of the tower, you will be getting -4 level of basement parking, also G+4 level of parking. That means you get total 9 level of parking, ample amount of space for all your luxury cars. On the 5th floor, which is the podium, you have this long list of amenities which Paradise is known for, and your first habitable floor starts from the 6th floor, which means you will be up and high in the air, away from all the hustle and the chaos. Best part, right? Now, this project offers you 2 and 3 bed residences. I also want to point out that you will be getting all the amenities that you can possibly think of: a very big sized swimming pool, kids pool, children play area, senior citizen area, gymnasium, everything, spa, yoga and meditation center. You will be getting, you name it, and Paradise provides it. That's what it is known for. That is the legacy which it has created for itself. 2 and 3 bed apartments ranging from 860 to 1290 square feet. 2 BHK starting from 2 crore 10 lakhs and 3 BHK starting from 3 crore 20 lakhs. Now, the project is currently under the pre-launch phase, which means very soon the prices are going to increase. So, if you want to avail the price benefits, if you want your preferable inventory choice and booking purposes, you have to contact us on the number given below.